Well, did you like the recipe? I mean, this episode is a little different. I thought I do some chicken wings and enjoy with you. So, I mean, the flavor is not bad because there's a flavor I'm trying to replicate. And this is, if you're from Singapore or Southeast Asia, you probably know the chicken wing that everyone barbecues over coal. I mean, during this quarantine period, I thought maybe if we can make this at home at the comfort when you can just satisfy your craving anytime you want, would be the best. So I thought, why not attempt by making this hot sauce together with the wings. And surprisingly, the wings are very juicy. I mean, it doesn't have the cold flavor, but it definitely have the grill kind of burnt on the chicken that is very flavorful. Very juicy. I think it's definitely an 8 or a 9. It's very similar. I mean, the chicken, I think I got the flavor down right. The hot sauce, the acidity, the sourness is just right. I think it's not spicy enough. I need to put more chili. But overall, I think it's good. Let's try one of these winglets with a lot of hot sauce. I mean, you like your food hot and spicy, this is the sauce to go with. I mean, I've been craving for this for a very long time. So I thought, why not attempt by making this recipe, even though I don't know what it's made from. But based on what I remember the taste to be, I think I come very close. I'm happy. See, during this quarantine period where everyone is probably home waiting for delivery with like long queues, I'll be able to make your favorite at home is a blessing. Definitely good. I can eat more. This is only about a pound or 500 grams. With the chicken wings. Let's try one without some hot sauce. I'm very satisfied. You know, episodes like this is different. I usually don't like to eat in front of camera, but I thought wing would be a very nice thing to eat in front of camera because it's tasty. You can eat with your hand, so why not? I mean, right, better than seeing me scoop rice, you know. mean, how's this quarantine period for everyone? I mean, I'm sure it's very tough. A lot of people are out of work, you know, and looking to make financial end meets. But I hope an episode like this can really liven you up a little bit, you know, just tap into your food cravings. Just take a break, relax a little, eat something that you enjoy, and then hopefully things will turn for the better. Definitely this is something new for me. I mean, make sure you comment below and let me know what you think of episodes like this. Do you want to see more of this, where I eat in front of the camera and I also cook it? Or maybe you just think it's too gross, you know? Don't make another episode like this anymore. Definitely let me know. And if you like it, I'll try my best to step out of my comfort zone and make more videos like this. But the wings are really good. Are you a drumlet person or winglet person? I actually like both, because this is very meaty. So if it's done right, where it's juicy, the meat is not hard. It's nice and soft. Good for those who love the meat. But winglets are also very good. I mean, the bone running through the meat has a lot of flavor. Well, I have a lot more hot sauce left, so I guess I can put this in the fridge, enjoy it for a long time to come. If you enjoy the heat, I say double the chili patties and you get the flavor you want. I think the flavor and the color is there. Just the heat. It's missing a little more kick. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the bell so that you'll be notified on our next future episode. All right, well, comment below, let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time on the next episode. Bye now.